초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Sige, dili mo ari diri sa tunga mo. Ma'am, palihog mga ma'am, mulipot kanang paka. Ma'am, mulipot ma'am, unya paglibot diri ma'am, musaka diri sa ako sa stage pakilaya lang. Tapos moto, edad, ana, single, ana. Sige. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. Wala yung moto. Pwede naman to, ma'am. Dili magmoto, ma'am. Dili magkona ko pugson. Pwede na ka magpakilaya, ma'am. Promise. Pwede na ka dili magmoto. Ang gusto magmoto. Ano lang. Sige. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome candidate number 1.
Babasada, 21 years old, living in Gigong City. I am single.
Single, ma'am? Ano naman, ma'am? Single by choice or single by deserve?
They deserve.
Ay, alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is our candidate number 1. So, sige, ma'am. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, up next, we have candidate number 2. Nagkakyut-kyut pa sila. Okay, tali na ma'am. It's you, ma'am.
Pasok mo hapon sa itanan.
Single, 22 years old.
Oh, grabe. Puro ba single ini sila, sir? Grabe, gwapa na, sexy pa, bonus, single pa yun. Sige, mamutaan ako, ma'am. Ano mo suksok magkaliaman, ma'am? Di man mo kalaban, ma'am. Tapos naman sila. Diba tapos na mo? Okay. Brad? Sige. Oo. Ma'am, usa man, ma'am, single by choice or single kay deserve? I deserve yapo, no? Alright, sige. Ladies and gentlemen, up next, please welcome candidate number 3.
Teka ba yung mupos?
From Gigong City.
Puro ba sila taga-Hingo?
Single.
Pila edad niyo, ma'am? Pila edad, ma'am?
24.
Wow, 24 and single! Ang tanong ng bayan, ma'am, single by choice or deserve?
deserve.
Ay, puro nila deserve a single. Alright, we have our another contestant, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome candidate number 4. Ikaw na trikyore, kamu sa magtungan ka mo tuwa dire. Anay na ma'am, dahil ma'am. Ikaw na kasi number 4, ma'am. O, ikaw ma'am, ikaw where's the sun, dahil na ma'am. Candidate number 4! They should drop the beat.
Where is the sun?
Hey!
Friends, it was nice to meet them, but I never see.
Alright, deserve ko na siya mag-single. Pero, ma'am, ready to mingle, ma'am.
Parang ka-ready?
O ready to jingle bell.
Super ready?
Ipon, ma'am. Lahat na kamo dyan yung sulabda. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our last but not least contestant. Right? Tara kang solo, ma'am. Please welcome candidate number 5. Of course, hindi ko makapos, ma'am. Takata ko chance, ma'am.
Attracted to things that bring me trauma. Overseas, never trying to stop terrorists. But we still not terrorists. Here living in the USA, the big CIA, the blood of the Crips and the KKK.
Ay, pag-aalasan ka mo, ipanukan ko ka mo sa inyong mga asawa.
Hi, I am Rhea Mee Deacon from Sorga.
Okay, Ken. Tapos meron, okay naman naman, oh man, kasado. Ang pangutana, ma'am, kasado mo, dili. Dili, dili pa. No. Let's give a chance, so let's give a chance from our, dili, sige, dili. Pwede ka, ma'am.
Dami pa itambok.
Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia Tomo, 22, single.
Wow, again, ang tanong ng bayan, single by choice or deserve? Wow, single by choice. So, pero manahamok naman ang mga lalaki din eh. Uy, amang kamukain na. Mayini, nagdasok naman nila. Di naman kaya. Awa si Barney. Of course, we have... Sa'yo mo laban pa? Okay, aman. Ikaw, katayog yanay. Alright. Pamanwaya. Sige, Jay, ako isa pa. At, ay! Paliyog anay naog lang ka! Hindi, gusto mo siguro may puli kayo si Rizal. Naog anay lang ka, paliyog, be. Ang motor, ala kasi mo sa motor. This certificate of participation is given to, I guess this is our judge, our touring judge. Round of applause for Quincy Adam C. Ruaya. Again, calling all the attentions ato, what's this, ato, tanan, okay sir, palihog ako sir. Baka na ito, labi na ito, President. Taman si President, please. Oo. So, what's our official photographer? Palihog ako. Alright, so, congratulations once again, Sir Quincy. Sir, I guess, sir, what is our participation is given to J.D. Corminal. Palihog ako once matawag inyo nga yan. Palihog please. Maaari na tayo rin. another certificate of participation is given to Chikoy. Certificate of participation is given to Kelly Guapo. First Batang Surigao Motor Show. Certificate of participation for his or her participating in the First Batang Surigao Motor Show on August 7, 2024, Galena Park, Surigao City. Signed by our president of the NCPT.
Ang grasya na itong inyong ito bugang upman ito, bugang panagsimulan sa inyo, na ito maala ang Panginoon, Panginoon.
Another certificate of participation is given to Lester Sina. Certificate of participation is given to Renato Orchie. Rounding out the first Batang Surigao Motor Show. Certificate of participation. Alright, so again, we have certificate of participation is given to the mistress. The mistress. Another certificate of participation is given to Boost Star. Boost Star, please. Certificate of participation.